go! Game 1 versus the OKC Thunder and the Dallas Mavericks. Semis in the West. Giddy blocked by Derek Jones. Loka to PJ Washington. Launches the three. First 3 points. Dallas na nakauna. Alexander got a 2 points. Lays it in. Doncic versus SGA. Launches the three. Got it. Oh, Giddy. Alley-oop to Holmgren. What a slam dunk by the rookies. Giddy for the layup. 2 points. Another 2 points. 14-15 in favor of OKC. SJ fade away. 2 points. 17-14 in favor of OKC. Doncic to screen. Bang. Threes. Gafford against Jalen Green. No, Jalen Williams. Wallace to Jalen Williams. Fake. 2 points. 2 points. What a shot by Jalen Williams. Jalen Williams again. To Gordon. To block by Gafford. What a block by Gafford. Irving to Derek Jones. Derek Jones in the attack. Pass to Gafford. 2 points. Gafford. 23 all. Last 25 seconds to play in first quarter. Block by Exum. Block by the Holmgren. By the rookie. Hardaway. 2 points. Chilling to Wallace. Whoa. 3 points. Wiggins. 25-26 in favor of OKC. Wiggins again. Back-to-back threes by Wiggins. What a shot by OKC. Irving against Holmgren. Pull away 2 points. Doncic against Wallace. To Juice Green. Launches a threes. No good. Follow up by Lively. Oh. Feeling bad si Holmgren. Wallace. Coast to coast. Bang. Block. Follow up by Holmgren. What a play by the rookie. Juice Green to Derek Jones. 3 points. 3 points. 38-36. Favor of OKC. Holmgren, the rookie. Oh, what a shot by Holmgren. Jalen Williams. Blocked by Gafford. SJ against Juice Green. SJ. Fake. Ball away. 2 points. 46-38. Lumulubo ng lamang sa OKC. Oh, what a pass to Irving. Jalen Green to Jalen Williams to Holmgren. Oh, fade away. What a play by the rookies. Kaning rookie sa OKC bali amazing piece ya. Perfect na sa OKC ang ilang lineup 2021 hantod 2022 hantod karon na tuig na karon radyo na perfect ang ilang team up because of the rookie ni Holmgren. Mo block nga siya, mo trace nga rookie 7'2" lang naman ang height. Pero bisag asa maka point siya. Doncic against Williams. Oh God. Defensive rebound by Gafford. Fouled by Jalen Williams. In one play for Gafford. Wallace. For 3. No good. Oh. Williams. Follow up. 2 points Williams. 2 ka Jalen Williams ang OKC Pero ang mas out kato si Kwan. Kanang block na Jalen Williams. Gafford. Slam it again. 53-62 in favor of OKC pa rin ha. 9 points lead by the OKC. Muna yung pinaka-out nga Williams, Jalen no. For 3, no good. Defensive rebound by Dort. To Jalen Williams again, 2 points. A shot by Jalen Williams. Doncic to Gafford. A slam by another slam by Gafford. In one play ha. Ni Gafford. Doncic again Getty. Doncic to PJ Washington for 3. Bang! Okay, naka-apas na. 62-66 and favor pa rin sa OKC. Dort. Oh, still by Doncic. Bad pass ni Dort ha. Irving launches the 3. Bang! 67-69. 2 points ang lead na lang sa OKC ha. Galing sa 3C. Dort launches the 3. Bang! Para play by the OKC. Oh, Doncic. Ilugan si Doncic ni Kana. Dort. Jeremy Williams. Slam it again. From the steal of Dort. Oh, Holmgren. The rookies. Launches the 3s. Bang. Irving against Jeremy Williams. Against Holmgren. Blocked by Holmgren. Kawawang Irving. Si Binto ang ngayon na pato ba mo play ka si Binto kabuang ng 6'3 na ka 6'4. SGA launches the 3s. Lumulubo na naman ang lamang sa OKC. SGA against PJ Washington. Another 3 by the MVP. SJ MVP na. Isaiah Joe long 3. Oh, what a shot from the downtown. Ang layo ng trace na Isaiah Joe. Whoa! What a play by SJ. Oh, yun ang pinaka-highlight sa what a play by SJ. Irving. Answer the 3. Whoa! Holmgren blocked by Gafford. What a play by Gafford. Jalen Williams against them. Hardaway to Holmgren. Holmgren launches the 3s. Bang! Oh! Paano na? Layo na kayo ang biya sa Dallas ha. Isaiah Joe to Wiggins to Holmgren. Oh! What a slam dunk by the rookie. Nag-iinit galing na bagol siya ni Gafford. Iba talaga yung rookie na to ha. Malakas na itong Dallas pero ayan nabaon na sila ang Dallas because of the mighty players of OKC. Strength in numbers talaga sila. Kahit sino sila sa kanila magaling. Jalen Williams, the number 8, launches the 3. Oh, 99-87. 12 points played ang OKC. Jalen Williams again, launches the 3s. Oh, back-to-back 3s by Jalen Williams. SJ against Derek Jones. Oh, si Jalen Williams na naman against. Wow, slam dunk na naman ang giabot ni Jalen Williams. Timeout, Dallas. Doncic answers at 2 points. SJ against Derek Jones. Short. Defensive rebound, Holmgren to Isaiah Wiggins. Oh! 3 points na naman si Wiggins. 108-89. Lubo-lubo na talaga ang lamang ng OKC. 19 points lead ha. 5 minutes to play sa fourth. Oh! Another 3s by Wallace. Assist from SJ. Oh, mga bench player na nagdula ha sa OKC. Last 3 minutes to play. Layo na ng lamang. Oh. 19 points lead ang OKC. Fourth quarter. Mga bench player oh. Wow. Pull away. 2 points.
Final seconds.
Okay, the OKC wins at 22 points in game 1.
Thunder
In May 10.
in the series.
Game 2 nila ha. Bye-bye.